You can forward your domain to another website using the domain forwarding option. Forwarding allows you to redirect one domain to another. To do so, click Manage under the Domain heading. Click Add Forwarding. Here you can specify the domain name to forward to. So for example, if I wanted to forward mywebdevcourse.com to google.com, I'd simply type in google.com here. Then we need to specify the redirect type, whether it's permanent or temporary. And this is mainly to let search engines know whether your domain will always redirect to a new page or only for a certain length of time. Make sure to check off this option to update your name servers and DNS settings. We'll talk about name servers later in this section. And so once you've configured these options, you would click the Add button and your forwarding would be set up. In addition to domains, we can also forward subdomains. A subdomain lets you put content in your URL before your domain name. So for example, support.mywebdevcourse.com or blog.mywebdevcourse.com. Those would be two examples of subdomains. To forward a subdomain, click the Manage button, click Add Subdomain Forwarding. Now specify the subdomain to forward and select the forwarding URL. So for example, blog.mywebdevcourse.com, and I can forward that to whichever website I want to forward it to. Again, select the redirect type, whether it's permanent or temporary, and once complete, click the Add button.